Hello folks, this is John again, and I finally got me my very first full tube amp head. You already know what it is from the title, so I'm finally graduating from all the amp simulation and just preamp pedals. With the help of the preamp pedals, I finally noticed I really like analog gear more, just sound-wise and vibe-wise, so I opted to make that extra step up. And of course, along with that, I also got me the Untitled Chapter as an attenuator, so I can also record the full amp sound into my computer and then use impulse responses, also keep things at a lower level. And here we go! 6505 mini head. Okay. There we go. Get out of there! Ah, my fingers. CD? A CD? Really? Come to Papa. Oh. Would you look at that beauty? Now, why did I go for this one instead of something else? Well, I watched a couple of demos and this thing just sounds amazing. On top of that, it has a lot of features that a lot of amp in this form factor don't have, and it also costs a good $100 less than most other amps in this form factor. So I went with this one, at least for the beginning. I'm still keeping things open down the future. If I may also get something else. I also got my eye on the orange Dark Terror. I'm looking forward to this. Now I gotta hook this up first, which means I gotta get rid of all of these. Sorry for the not so great angle, the tripod is kind of broken, so that's what we gotta work with here. First of all, what I used to use now lately was this A&T P2 preamp pedal, which emulates a 6505. Sounded great, but now I graduated from this and I'm gonna go the step bigger. Then these things I'm gonna keep. The Boss Super Overdrive, amazing pedal to put into an amp, and also my noise gate. This I'm gonna keep. But all the stuff back here is gonna go. A splitter, well, a Behringer noise gate just to split the signal. Then an EQ pedal, not gonna need this anymore. And the power amp with 2.5 watts. You would be surprised how loud this 2.5 watts gets. Whoa, I could barely turn it up to 9 o'clock and it would already be super duper loud. These three go away. Okay, so this looks cleaner. Now for the amp head, bam! This goes right here. Now I gotta figure things out. Okay, all that's left to do is turn it on. And wait a minute. There we go. Right now you're also hearing the tone through an SM57 that just slapped in front of the cab. It's just immediately sounds so much better than anything I ever tried or ever had. Just the clean tone alone. Okay. That's clean channel with the crunch turned on. Okay, switch to lead. Mwah. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is definitely something I can get behind. So let's see what else we got going here. Wow. Well, let me turn down the output power. Now it's on 20 watts, down to 5 watts. I'm telling you, So, for sound, small wattages will still get you immense loudness. Like I said, here my previous power amp pedal thingy with 2.5 watts, super duper loud. I just switched this one down from 20 watts down to 5 watts, and I could just turn the output level just the slightest bit, and I would be right back again at the previous volume. Let me turn it down to 1 watt. Interesting. That sucks out a little bit of brilliance in the top range. Back up to 20? Definitely love it. Now let's try this out with the boss in front of it. Now the tone on the Boss Overdrive is all the way up. That wouldn't be my preferred tone right now. So tone at 12, level all the way up, gain all the way down. I like this. One thing I still notice, and I suspect that's just the cab, is there's quite this hump at around 1K, 800 to hertz to 1K. But I think that's something I could live with. Yep, that's definitely keeper. I am absolutely happy with this. So that's just a quick little unboxing and first test with this new toy. And I'll do a lot of experimentation now. So, hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click the bell icon. You know how YouTube works. Just don't disappoint me. Bye-bye!